Welcome back to Immersi Fun English. Today we are gonna dive into something that might seem simple but can actually trick you. Synonyms. The words that have the same meaning but don't always work in the same way. If you get the hang of this, you will sound way more natural when you speak English and impress your friends. Let's start with these words. Look at this example. Which one is correct? The chairman closed the meeting at 4:30, or the chairman shut the meeting at 4:30. That's right. The chairman closed the meeting at 4:30. Don't forget, we close meetings, discussions, and conferences. Take a look at this one and try to complete these two sentences. She was very rude. She said, "Your math." The dentist might ask you to your math. Excellent. The dentist might ask you to close your mouth. And she was very rude. She said, "Shut your mouth." Using shut is an impolite way of telling someone not to speak. It's generally more informal. So, if you want to use it, be careful. Alright, now move on to the next pair.
It was a cold morning and I could not start my car. Or, it was a cold morning and I could not begin my car. The first sentence is correct. It was a cold morning and I could not start my car. Start is used for engines and vehicle. Before the universe began, time and space didn't exist. Or, before the universe started, time and space didn't exist. The correct answer is began. So, begin is preferred in more formal and abstract contexts.
Look at this pair of words. Big, large. It was a big decision to make. Big decision. There were some big problems to solve. Big problems. I wanted a sweater in large size, but they only had medium. Large size, not big size. The next words are just as useful. Keep going. Injure versus damage. Can you guess the right word in these sentences? 3 people were taken to hospital after the accident. The shop tried to sell me sofa, but I noticed just in time. That's right. 3 injured people were taken to hospital after the accident. So, injure collocates with words to do with people. And the shop tried to sell me a damaged sofa, but I noticed just in time. So, damage collocates with words for things. Are you ready for the next challenge? Another pair of tricky synonyms.
Which one is correct? Number 1. In the south, the farmers grow crops. Number 2. In the south, the farmers raise crops. Number 1 is the correct answer. So don't forget, grow collocates with crops and plants.
Number 1. In the north, the farmers mostly raise cattle. Number 2. In the north, the farmers mostly grow cattle.
Number 1 is correct. So raise collocates with animals and children.
Look at the synonyms. End, finish. The fin with the hero dying. They, their relationship a year ago. I haven't my homework yet. Let me read the sentence again with the right answer. The film ended with the hero dying. They ended their relationship a year ago. So end here means decide to stop. I haven't finished my homework yet. Finish here means complete. Great job, everyone! Next time you bump into synonyms while reading or studying, just remember, they might look the same, but they don't always fit the same way. Keep practicing and you'll sound more and more natural in English. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're feeling stuck, tired, or even thinking about giving up on English, just go back and watch the first video on this channel. It was made with love for moments just like that. It will remind you why you started and help you believe in yourself again. You can do this. I'm here with you every step of the way. See you in the next video.